Hello friends, good evening. I am on Odoo version 18 and receiving few comments on my previous videos. I would like to discuss today about how to manage internal transfer between journals or accounts. So the case is how you can make now bank 1 to bank 2 transfer or bank 2 to cash or cash to bank transfer kind of case. Because previously we have got one button internal transfer or transactions. Now it is no more available. So what Odoo has done here, it has given a liquidity transfer account which was there, but now we have to set up a liquidity transfer account which is current asset type account for managing any bank transaction and payment which goes to internal transfer. But now how to make it without this? So you just have to create a new transaction where you can mention like you are giving 2000 like transfer to bank 2 and you are making this transaction. Okay, on the other hand you have to reconcile it. So as soon as you reconcile, you will get an internal transfer button which is nothing but a reconciliation model. So what Odoo has introduced a specific model to manage internal transfer using liquidity transfer account type over here. So now I am going into reconciling this transaction where this 2000 will go against internal transfer to liquidity transfer account over here. In your journal items, now when I see journal entries and group by journal, you can see bank 1 where this 2000 goes from bank to liquidity transfer. On the other hand, now I want to receive the same amount in bank 2. So I will create a new transaction which is your nothing but a bank statement line only, where I will receive 2000 like transfer from bank 1 to bank 2, and I will create this and then click on this internal transfer where this transaction will be happening and validating. So now if I move and check my journal entries over here, now you can see this 2000 which is credited from my bank and goes to liquidity transfer, and over here in bank 2 this 2000 debited to bank and credited from liquidity transfer account. So it has set off the liquidity transfer account from debit over here to credit over there, and then I have received my balance over here. Let's do the same from like bank 2. I want to transfer 1000 rupees to cash. So I will create a transaction like minus 1000 to cash account, and then I will click here internal transfer and validate this. So it will move from my bank to liquidity transfer account using this, and in my cash journal I will create a new transaction while I will receive 1000 like received from bank 2, and then what I will do, I will click here and then click on internal transfer and validate this transaction. Hence my transactions are complete now, and we can see the journal entries group by journals, and then bank 2000 has been credited to liquidity transfer debit, and over here liquidity transfer credit and cash account debited with 1000, and balance is getting updated on my journal as a balance. Now if I see my general ledger, I will have 1000 rupees in my balance in my bank, and then this bank 1 and bank 2 account has done the transaction like this 2000 was transferred from bank 1 to bank 2, and this 1000 transferred from bank 2 to cash. So this is how internal transfers are now being managed using reconciliation model. So this is by default will come with any installation of accounting in Odoo. Hope this will help many people when they are searching to manage transaction between one journal to another journal. and they want to transfer some amount from bank to cash or cash to bank or credit card and so on. Thank you guys.